Hello everyone, my name's Aqua, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install Lua and then making it work with Visual Studio Code. So first thing you guys need to do is head to the link in the description, click on this. This is the Lua download link. You can click on Windows for Windows 32-bit system or 64, or if you're running Mac they have it here, or Linux. I'm on 64, so I'd click this one. It will automatically start the download, but I already have it installed. And I put mine on my desktop. You guys can store in your downloads folder anywhere. I find it easiest if I do it on the desktop. So I'm going to open it up. It should have all these files in it. Just so you can see, you should have about like 4 of them. First thing I like to do is just make a folder. And I'm going to call this one Lua. Then you can right click and extract here. And then it will pull all the files out and just drag them into your Lua folder. Or you could actually just open it up if you have WinZip like I do and drag them into the folder yourself. Then you don't need this anymore, so you can set it off to the side. Now you have your main Lua folder. Put up my second should have these 4 file types in it. Lua 54 and all of these. And what I like to do is rename the Lua 54 just to Lua, so it's easier to execute files. And I'll explain that like in a couple seconds. Now, Visual Studio Code, you can simply install that by opening up your Google Chrome, typing in Visual Studio Code. Should be the first one. The website should look like this. You can just simply click Download for Windows. I already have mine downloaded as well. It's a simple, easy download process. So after you have that done, you can open up your search bar by clicking down here. And then you can simply just type in environment and edit environment variables. Then you would open this menu up. I like to put in the middle screen as you're seeing, and I click environmental variables. It's the last button here at the bottom. Should have all of this, you simply go down here to paths, and then you're going to want to click edit, and then you're going to click new, and that's where you're going to put wherever you stored your Lua file, your Lua folder with all those 4 exes in it. I put mine on my desktop, so I like to open up File Manager. And then I like to just go click on the desktop one, click on the Lua folder, double click on the very top so it highlights all like directories and how you would get there for a system. Control C, or you can right click, copy, and then you would just click new, paste it in, press enter, then press OK again, then press OK again. And then that means you basically have all the Lua set up. And now you can simply drag this to the side. Now we can open up Visual Studio Code. Here, I'll show you. Then, once you have it up, it should look something like this. It's fine if it doesn't. Mine, I just have it customized a little bit to my liking. So you can go up here to the top left where it says File. You're going to want to click on that. It's going to open up all this stuff. You're going to want to click up Open a Folder. If you don't have one, I recommend you make one wherever. I have a folder in my documents drive, and I called it Lua Code. And I'm simply just going to click on it. Then I'm going to click select this folder. And now it is officially, give it a second as it opens it up. And then it's opened up. You can click over here on the Explore tab on the left-hand side. And it will open up everything in here. So we can see that I have a bunch of stuff in here. This is already like pre-stuff. All you need to do now is just click up here at the top, new file, just name it main.lua. I already have it made. And then after you have that new file, go up to terminal, click new terminal. It's going to open up a brand new terminal. And then since I have a subfolder in mine and I called it episode 1, I just do cd space ep1. If you don't have a subfolder, that's perfectly fine. Then inside here, you would just simply write Lua space main dot Lua, which is your main Lua file, and it should run. But make sure you put something in it like a print statement. I put I am cool. So you can see down here in the terminal, printed out I am cool. So yeah, just make sure you have something in there and it should run. Another way to check if running, you can just simply type Lua and console, I'm pretty sure. Yep. It will show you you're in Lua 5.4.2. And then I'll show all that stuff with all the information. And that's how you install Lua and make it run in Visual Studio Code.